name is Cameron. I'm going to teach you a very simple way to make fluffy slime. Let's get to it. This is your glue that you need for the slime. And this is your borax that you need for the slime. And this is your shaping cream that you need for the slime. And it smells like the ocean. Ew. And you can add some color to your slime. Ooh, color. This is how you make simple, fluffy slime. So you pour in the glue. And that is done. And you pour in some food coloring. And then you put the shaving cream. This gets to be a really pretty color, and we add some borax in the activator. And then we stir it up, and the water is warm, by the way. Then we keep stirring. It's looking pretty good. It's looking really good. It's looking like orange shaving cream. I meant slime. Oh, there it goes. You can mix it with your hands if you want. This is... This is what you can do with your slime. And you can do this. Or something if you want. And subscribe to my channel.